Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 4.25 millimeters. So start by making a slip knot. Now for this stitch we need to chain multiples of 10 plus 4 when we work on a straight line. When we work on a round we can just chain multiples of 10 as I did here when I made this hat. But for the scarf I'll chain 44. So now that I've chained 44 on the for row 1 on a 5th chain from a hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 8. Now I'll skip the next 9 chains, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and through this 10th chain I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make 3 double crochet. Again I'll chain 8, I'll skip the next 9 chains, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and through this 10th chain I will make 3 double crochet. Chain 3, and through that same chain I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 8, I'll skip the next 9 chains, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and through this 10th chain I will make 3 double crochet. Then through that same chain I'll make 3 double crochet. Again I will chain 8, and I'll skip the next 9 chains, and through this last chain, which is our 10th chain, I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around, then I'll chain 4. Now through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 4. Now through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 4, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 4, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, I'll chain 3, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 4. Now through this last 1 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 1, then through the same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 I'll turn my work around, then I'll chain 4. Now through the same 1 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, I'll chain 3, then right here 2 rows below, see we have a 4 chain loop and an 8 chain loop, right there 2 rows below I'll make 1 single crochet. We lock these chains in like that. Now I'll chain 3, through this next 3 chain loop, right here through a shell I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 3, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 3. Now right here 2 rows below I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3, through this next shell right here through a 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, now again I'll chain 3, 2 rows below right here I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, I'll chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 3, again 2 rows below I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3, then right here through this 1 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Now for the pattern we repeat rows 1 through 3. So for row 4 I'll turn my work around and I'll repeat row 1. Just for this row so you can see how it goes. Now I'll chain 4, then through that 1 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, I'll chain 8, then right here through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, I'll chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, now I'll chain 8, through this next shell right here through the 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, I'll chain 3, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, again now I'll chain 8, through this next shell right there through the 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 8, now right here through this 1 chain loop at the end of the row I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 1, then through the same one chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. So this completes row 4. So for row 4 we repeated row 1. Now for row 5 we repeat row 2. So for row 5 I'll turn my work around, then I'll chain 4. Now ready through that one chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 4. Now right here through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 4, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 4, now through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 4, now right here through this last one chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 1, then through that same one chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. So this completes row 5. So you see here for row 5 we repeated row 2. Now for row 6 we repeat row 3. So for row 6 we'll turn our work around, then we repeat row 3. So I'll chain 4. Now right there through that one chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I will chain 3. Now right here 2 rows below, through this chain 4 and chain 8 I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through this next shell right there through a 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 3, again now 2 rows below through this loop, with chain 4 and chain 8, 2 rows below I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3, through this next shell right there through a 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 3, 2 rows below again I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 3, now again 2 rows below I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, now through this last one chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 1, then through that same one chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. So you probably saw that I made a lot of things with this pattern, but I really like it. I tend to do that sometimes when I really like the pattern. So yeah, for the pattern we repeat rows 1 through 3. So we repeat rows 1 through 3 until our work reaches our desired length. Let me see how long my scarf is. So this scarf measures 80 inches. And to finish off, I will just chain one, weave these ends in, then cut the yarn. You can make some tassels if you want to, but I'm just going to leave it like this because I kind of like it the way it is. But if you want, you can just find some easy tassels you can make. So it's personal preference in the end. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.